Is your iPhone screen looking too glossy, too blurry, or just hard to read after updating to iOS 26? That liquid glass effect might look cool, but for many people it actually makes things worse. Here is how to turn it off in seconds. After installing iOS 26, Apple introduced a more transparent glass-like interface across menus and backgrounds. While it looks modern, it can reduce readability and strain your eyes. The good news, you can disable it quickly using a hidden accessibility setting. Start by opening your Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Inside Accessibility, find and select Display and Text Size. Look for the option called Reduce Transparency, turn it on, and that's it. Once you enable Reduce Transparency, your iPhone will replace those blurry, glass-like backgrounds with solid colors. This makes text easier to read and reduces visual clutter across menus like Control Center, Notifications, and Settings. And that's how you turn off the liquid glass effect in iOS 26. Quick, simple, and a lot more comfortable to use. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy iPhone tips. Let me know in the comments what you think of the new liquid glass design.